So, do you know how many Amiyah groups there are in Arabic? Oh, do me a favor, subscribe now. There are 4 main Amiyah groups. Amiyah, again, being the spoken language, the language we use for communication. And the regions and dialects are listed in alphabetical order. Khaliji, Maghrebi, Masri, and Shami. And let's look at them in detail now. By the way, the word Amiyah comes from the word Am, which means general. So Amiyah is the language of the general public, the language that everybody speaks to each other when they communicate. So the first group is called Khaliji. It's also called Gulf Arabic or Arabian Peninsular Arabic. Khaliji means Gulf in adjective form. Al-Khalij is the Gulf. Khaliji, the E at the end, means adjective form. This includes the following dialects: Gulf, Bahraini, Emirati, and Qatari. That's 1. And then Iraqi Arabic, Kuwaiti Arabic, Omani Arabic, Saudi Arabic, and Yemeni Arabic. The next Amiyah group is Maghrebi Arabic. It's also called North African or Western Arabic. Maghreb means place where the sun sets. Adding ma to a verb can make a place noun. Maghreb is the place where the sun sets. If you say kataba, for example, that's to write. Maktab is a place where you write. And la'iba is to play. Mal'ab is a place where you play, a playground, for example. Isn't that interesting? So Maghreb, that's the place where the sun sets on the Arab world. This is in fact the farthest west in the Arab world, and it includes the following dialects: Algerian, Libyan, Mauritanian, Moroccan, and Tunisian. The next group is Masri. The word Masr means Egypt, and Masri, also called Egyptian Arabic, is the word Egyptian. Masri, the E at the end makes Masr an adjective. Masri, Egyptian. This includes the following dialects: Egyptian and Sudanese. The next Amiyah group is called Shami, also called Levantine Arabic or Eastern Arabic. Asham is the name of a country or an area comprised of what are now Jordan, Lebanon, Palestine, and Syria. This includes the following dialects: Jordanian, Lebanese, Palestinian, and Syrian. Check out my books on Amazon.